Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Enable Bluetooth and location so your phone can scan. Open the Bluetooth or devices screen. Once done, tap Scan or Refresh to list nearby radios. Make sure the lost device has power and is discoverable. This is why many searches fail. Move toward the last known area while watching the device name. You'll get signal hints immediately, so stay patient and repeat scans every few seconds until it appears. Now refine your search. Observe RSSI or signal bars next to the device name. Stronger bars mean you're closer. If the maker has an app, open it. Many show proximity or last seen location and some trigger sounds. You can also use Android's Find My Device features for compatible Bluetooth trackers. Move in a slow grid pattern and pause at each spot. Repeating scans shows trends, so trust rising signal strength as your direction cue. Finish by confirming the exact spot. Trigger a sound from the device or its app. That gives an unmistakable cue. If it still won't appear, restart Bluetooth, toggle location off and on, and rescan. This resolves many pairing glitches. Make sure the lost unit has battery. If nothing works, try another phone to eliminate your handset as the problem. If all else fails, check where it was last seen and expand the search area slowly and systematically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.